Hello, hello. I hope you're all doing well and having a good day. So, I'm going to do something really simple today because I've been asked by actually a few people already, kind of saying, so what is it that you do with your pasta? You keep saying you already make it. Well, I do. And then I add some oil so it doesn't stick together and throw it in the fridge. And it's just fine for about a week. And then I can use it anytime I want. I have some boiling water behind me. I'm going to add some salt to it. So I like to add that while I'm cooking the pasta. So let me add some so you guys can see it boil over and go crazy. I actually add a little bit of oil to the water as well for similar reasons. I find it helps to get into the pasta a bit and help with it from sticking together. So we don't need too much of that, just a little bit. And then I'm going to put you guys on pause. I'm going to take my spaghetti out, put it in, give it about 10 minutes, and then I'll come back. You'll see I just run it under cold water to stop it from cooking. And then I add it and add some oil to it as well. So give me a few minutes to cook the pasta and I'll be right back. So all I did was take the pasta out of the boiling water and then I ran it under cold water to make sure it's no longer hot. Otherwise, it'll continue to cook and it'll get real mushy. So this stops the cooking process. Now I'm going to put it into the bowl. Give me a second to put some gloves on because I'll mix up the oil in there and show you what I do. All right, so I'll show you how simple. Pasta straight into the bowl. I got about a half cup of oil to make sure it covers all of it. And I'll put this in. Mix it up to cover all the pasta. And really, that's it. I mean, now I got cold pasta. I'm going to throw a lid on it. I'm going to throw that into the fridge. And now it's good for a week. Anytime I want to cook my pasta, all I need to do is put it in boiling water for 10 seconds. It gets the oil off of it. It's cooked nicely and it's ready to go. I can use that in any dish that I make.